Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about parallel and perpendicular slopes. So we know that in slopes, when there are parallel lines, that means that the slopes are the same. And when there are perpendicular lines, that means that the slopes are opposite reciprocals. Alright, so let's do some practice. We want to find the slope of this line and then write its parallel and perpendicular slope. So to find the slope of this line, we just need to count its rise over run, which is super easy. So its rise is what's going up or going down, and its run is the horizontal part of it. So its rise would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So its slope is 3 over 8. So we'll write m equals 3 over 8. Now we want to find its parallel slope and its perpendicular slope. For parallel, we know that it is the same as our 3 over 8. So we would just do 3 over 8. And for our perpendicular, we know that it is opposite reciprocal of 3 over 8. So our opposite would be 8 over 3. Reciprocal is 8 over 3, and our opposite would be negative 8 over 3. That is our answer. Alright, let's do another one. So we have to find the slope first and then find perpendicular and parallel slope. So the way we do this is we do negative 5 minus negative 3 over negative 2 minus 4. That would give us negative 2 over negative 6. And then we can simplify to get 1 over 3. So m, which is our just regular slope, is 1 over 3. The parallel slope would be 1 over 3 as well, because we know it's the same slope. And our perpendicular slope would be the opposite reciprocal. So reciprocal meaning we have to flip the 1 and the 3. And opposite is just positive, negative, negative, positive. So it would be negative 3 over 1 or just negative 3. Alright, let's see this one. 4x minus 3 equals 9. Find the slope, the perpendicular slope, and the parallel slope. So we know that we need to write our equation into mx plus b equals y form to get our slope. So we would have to add 3y to each side, and we would get 4x equals 9 plus 3y. Then we'll subtract 9 from each side, and we'll get 4x minus 9 equals 3y, and then we'll divide by 3 to get 4 over 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So our slope, m, would be 4 over 3. Our parallel slope would also be 4 over 3. And our perpendicular slope would be negative 3 over 4. Alright, so we're going to find whether these lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither with these equations. So we want to find m for each of them and see if they're the same or opposite reciprocal or neither. We don't even have to put it into our y equals mx plus b form because we know that m is always in front of x. So whatever's in front of x is our m. So over here and over here, what's in front of x is 2, and 2 is in front of x here as well. So m for the first one would be 2, as well as for the second one. Our slopes are the same, so they are parallel. Alright, let's do another one. So we're going to have to find m and m for the first and second one. So the first one, we can see that the 7 is in front of the x, so we know that our m is 7. But for the second one, our y isn't where it's supposed to be. Our y is supposed to be here, but it's not. So we're going to have to solve and put it into y equals mx plus b form. So how we would do that is we would subtract x from both sides and get 7y equals 14 minus x, then divide by 7 and get y equals 2 minus 1 over 7 x. Now we can see that our negative 1 over 7x is mx, and our negative 1 over 7 is our m, which is the opposite reciprocal of 7, so our slopes are perpendicular. Alright guys, that is it for this video. This was parallel and perpendicular slopes. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you later. Bye!